Hello students, my name is Professor Muhammad Asim and we are doing AddMath. AddMath for IGCSE students which have syllabus code 0606 and for CIE O-level students which have syllabus code 4037. So both kind of students can get equal benefit from this course. Students, as you know, we have finished the topic of a new topic of AddMath, coordinate geometry of the circle. But before that topic, we were doing past papers of differentiation paper 2. We had finished till question number 21. You can check my playlist, name is AddMath. So after question number 21 and after completing of the topic coordinate geometry of the circle, I am again starting remaining questions of differentiation past papers paper 2. Only few questions are left and after this topic we will be starting a new topic, a new past papers topic of AddMath. Let's have a look question number 22. The diagram shows a cuboid of height h units inside a right pyramid OPQRS of height 8 units and with the square base of side 4 units. The base of the cuboid sits on the square base PQRS of the pyramid. The points A, B, C and D are corners of the cuboid and lie on the edges OP, OQ, OR and OS respectively of the pyramid OPQRS. The pyramids OPQRS and OABCD are similar. Part 1. Find an expression for AD in terms of H. So we have to find the length of cuboid. Now you can see carefully and you have to read this information 3 to 4 times, then you will be understand. The main point is pyramids OPQRS and OABCD are similar. You know, in similar shapes, the ratios of the lengths are equal. So if I take PS upon AD, PS is the length of the big pyramid and AD is the length of a small pyramid, is equals to height h1 of the big pyramid and height h2 of the small pyramid. So this is my assigning name of h1 and h2. What is the value of PS? PS is 4. It is given in the question. AD we have to find. H1 is the height of big pyramid which is given in the question 8. H2 is the height of the small pyramid. We can find easily. You can see I am drawing a line. This is H2. Sorry, the line is not perpendicular, not straight, but you can understand H2. This is H2. How you can find H2? Just write 8 minus H. Now the final answer of AD, which is the requirement of the question, cross multiply 4 multiply 8 minus H is equals to 8 multiply by AD, or AD is equals to 8 minus H upon 8 into 4. This is the final answer of AD. The requirement has fulfilled. What was the requirement? Find an expression for AD in terms of H. So use the concept of similar shapes, we have able to find the length of AD. The next sentence of part 1 is, and hence show that the volume V of the cuboid is given by V equals to h cube upon 4 minus 4h square plus 16h unit cube. So students, whenever you see the word hence, hence means you have to take the help from the answer of just previous part. So we have already find AD at minus h upon 8 into 4. Now the volume of cuboid, the formula of the volume of cuboid is length. This is the general formula, length into width into height. So you can see this cuboid has a square shape. So the length should be 8 minus h upon 8 into 4, and in square the length and width are always same. So 8 minus h upon 8 into 4, and the height of the cuboid is given h. You can see in the diagram the height of the cuboid is h. Now simplify it to get the answer. Volume 8 minus h upon 8 into 4, this is power 1, this is power 1, so it is square into h. 4 to the 8, 8 minus h whole square, 2 square is 4 into h. Eight minus h should be a minus b whole square. So 64 minus 16h plus h square upon 4 whole multiplied by h. 64 upon 4 is 16. 16 upon 4 is 4h plus h square upon 4 whole multiplied by h. So volume V is equals to h into h square upon 4 is h cube upon 4 minus 4h into h is 4h square plus h into 16 is 16h. And this is the requirement of part number 1. Hence show that the volume V of the cuboid is given V equals to h cube upon 4 minus 4h square plus 16h unit cube. So we have able to write the answer. Now what is next part? I didn't copy. The next part is given that h can vary, find the value of h for which v is maximum. So we have to find very easy part. We have to differentiate volume with respect to height. So dv by ds dh is h cube, derivative is 3 h square upon 4. For h square derivative is 8h, 16h derivative is 16. Replace dv by dh is 0. So 3h square upon 4 minus 8h plus 16. Take the LCM is 4, so it is 3h square. 4 8s are 32h, 4 16s are 64. So 3h square minus 32h plus 64. This 4 must multiply by 0, so it is 0. This is quadratic equation, and solve this quadratic equation by using quadratic formula, because factorization is a little bit difficult, but if you have more practice to apply the middle term break method, so we don't have any issue. So after solving quadratic equation, we will get two values, 8 and 8 upon 3. Obviously 8 is not admissible because the height of the cuboid is 8. Therefore the value of h is 8 upon 3. This is our final answer. I repeat again, h cannot be 8 because the height of the cuboid is height of the pyramid is 8. So h should be 8 upon 3. This is our final answer. So hope you understand and enjoy the whole question, word problem of differentiation. How many questions are left? Okay, this question came in May-June 2015 paper 2-2. I repeat, May-June 2015 paper 2-2. 23, very easy. 24 and 25. So only 3 questions are left in this topic. I will try to do all 3 questions in next lecture, and after this topic you and me will decide which is a more important past papers topic we have to start. So student, this is our today's class. I request all of you kindly do subscribe my channel, and whenever you subscribe, don't forget to press the bell icon button so that when I upload my videos, you will get the notification. Kindly share my videos, my channel, as many as you can. Good luck for next lecture.